Hi guys, we are moving into our 6th unit. I know this is a lot of units. I promise it slows down second semester. And we are looking at human history. We're looking at early humans. And this is really where we're going to learn how our early ancestors evolved. We're going to be looking at specifically the genus Homo and how our primates came into modern humans or Homo sapiens. We're going to look at the story of human evolution, which has many contributors, including archaeologists, anthropologists, primatologists. By now, you know, BHP, we get into all those crazy disciplines, so there's quite a few. We're also going to look at the verifiable evidence, such as fossil remains, and the importance of learning and the idea of symbolic language. Like, what does that mean to us? It's a combination of these two human feats that separates us from species in the animal kingdom, and it's really what makes us unique, okay? And we're going to learn a little bit more about that. So your driving question for Unit 6 is, what makes humans different from other species specifically, okay? So I kind of gave you an idea in this, but you're going to learn about the specifics, and the idea is really behind collective learning. You're going to take a look at the learning outcomes as well, and as always, if you have any questions, please let me know. I really look forward to this next unit with you as we're finally getting into the depths of human history. Okay, we're almost there. Thanks guys for sticking with me. This has been awesome.